Teacher Reddy, I am studying in 10th class. I am going to tell you how to make a raven which can stand. So this is a raven and I am going to show you how to make this raven. So for that, first you should know how to make a flapping bird and a parrot. For that, first you should know how to make a flapping bird, because if you know a flapping bird, it will be easier to make a parrot and a raven. So I have done all these videos and I am now doing this video. So the link of this will come in downside of the video now, and this one video will come in upside of the video now. So now it will be easier to learn first this, or you can learn this, because I am telling that first you should learn this because it will be easier, and this is the basic of making birds. And for that, making these two, these three birds have similar foldings, and another birds are also there. Some number of birds are also there, but I don't know, but they all have similar foldings, I think. So, but these three have similar foldings. So, for making all those three, you should know how to make a bird base. This is a bird base, and now I'll show you how to make a bird base and a raven. So, first to make a raven, you should make a bird base. For making a bird base, you need a square paper. So turn the square paper some right and so that this point faces you like this, and it looks in diamond shape. So now make an horizontal line.
Doorway.
So you will get a horizontal line, and now make a vertical line. Now make a vertical line. Make a vertical line, so you'll get a horizontal line and a vertical line. So flip it over, and now make this portion to face you as a square paper, not as a diamond. This is a diamond and this is a square. So in diamond you made one vertical line and one horizontal line, so that in square paper it looks as two diagonal lines. So when you made these two diagonal lines, you flip it over, and now make a horizontal line by this square paper, not a diamond. Now I have made a horizontal line in square paper. Now make a vertical line. So now you will get two diagonal lines, one horizontal line and one vertical line. So the all corners will rise up. When you flip it over, it will look like this. Now you should press in a model so that the points will come up. So see the horizontal line, which side we have followed. We have not followed this side, we have followed this side. So press it this one, and now this till the center point you take one diagonal line and fold it and raise it up and fold it like this. And now take this point to this point to this middle, which means that take the all points to the middle. Now we have came closer to make a bird base, so it will look like a diamond shape with 4 flaps. So now you will have a center line here. If you don't have, fold it in half. So that it will come. Now take one flap of one side and fold it to the center line. And do this folding for all the 3 flaps. The bird base folding is known as petal folding. So it looks in this shape. Now you will have the line here till where folding has been done, and you will have like a triangle the upside. So fold this triangle downwards, which means towards you. And unfold it and flip it over, and again do the same thing. So now remove the 4 flaps folding, and now the 2 sides, this is one side and this is one side, you will have a folding here, one horizontal line, and here 2 diagonal lines. So you will have here one full like this, and like 2 legs, and like 2 legs here, and below the 2 legs again one full like this up one. So take this up layer, and it have this here horizontally. So till of this, fold this backward, and so that it should touch the cat. Point your finger here and take this till full down, so that this will be folded. So you have took it down. So you have made one. Now flip it over and do the same thing. now you'll have a bird base. So with that bird base, you will have 4 flaps in the bird base. So you will have a bird base, and now that bird base has 4 flaps. So take one flap and fold it in the half side and flip it over and do the same thing, so that the bird base looks in this shape. Actually the bird base will look in this shape. We should make it in this shape. So like this you'll have this shape. Now fold this in half. Now we came here to make a raven. Now you have to make legs. The legs are on top. So please understand. So now take one leg. You'll have 2 here. Take one leg and leave some gap from this down and press it there. And press it there like this, and this side you make it in half. It should look as half part. Now and do it like this. It should come like this. Now do the same thing for another leg. Now make some gap for your legs for standing. Now when we made a gap, we should go for tail. So up we have 2 layers. So open one layer fully and take it down, and it should be some cross like this. Now finally make a head. So for making, I take this point some inside and close it, and again take this point and do like this. Now your raven is ready. So for making stand, you should make it to stand by balancing it. So there's your raven. These are ravens. So these are ravens and a parrot and a flapping bird, and this is a bird base. Bye bye, see you later.